straight either. Gosh. Which side is the straight side? Is it the bottom? I don't think any of these sides are straight. I can imagine this like how window tinting is. This is like my favorite color combination. I think it's like an orange and a blue, or maybe like a fluorescent red and a blue. I remember back in the day when it was a quarter for one of these. I'm surprised they even have something like this. I bet there's COVID all over this. Or not. I don't know, but it's kind of cool to look at. So I cut 3 pieces. One of them didn't cut very well, but I'm going to use this big piece to start with. And then you take this tape. Take this tape here like this. You're going to cut a piece like this. Tear it in half. And then you put tape at the corner, like so. And then you see. What you need to apply the film, this privacy film, you need some instructions. And keep in mind, this is 3 feet wide. So I'm going to cut 3 1-foot pieces. And then this, I have this, and this is why. It helps me kind of get a good gauge of how big the window is. See? Almost exact fit. So I'm going to cut the pieces, and I'm going to apply it and show you how this works. And I did a couple other windows for kind of practice. So 4 more to go. I wasted a lot of anyways, this window is like 11 something inches and 13 wide or tall. So remember, this is not my original saying, but it says measure twice, cut once. And then this is the stuff that I'm going to use. This is all from the application kit from this company, GILA. And then this, you put the tape on it so you can pull it apart. So I'll show you how it works in a second. She can't even get out of it.
Uh-oh.
And now you just hear a huge crunch.
So this is the trimmer thing. So I'm gonna press it, find the edge. Actually, probably front from this bottom corner here. They'll pull it down if you're not careful. There you go. Yep, this is a challenge. And this one didn't go all the way to the corner. So that's a little bit bummer. So if it was possible, push it all the way up against the corner, but I don't think so. Maybe it did a little bit. No. I don't know how long you're supposed to work it, but the top needs to be trimmed. Hey buddies, what are you doing over here? You don't like being on camera? Why doesn't anybody like me to take video of them? Man, you guys, seriously? How about you? But, man, okay, whatever. Anyway, so this is how the privacy film looks from the outside. I'm gonna do one more panel. Sure what I'm doing, that it doesn't get tight. This is the one I just did, and it looks pretty tight mostly. I think it's a nice touch. Privacy film. There's a dang mosquito right there. Stupid jerk. Hmm.